Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up IRS Form 8821 for taxpayer info access, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up IRS Form 8821, start by downloading the form from the IRS website. Open the form in a PDF viewer or print it out for easier completion. Fill in the taxpayer's name as listed on their tax return. Next, enter the taxpayer's social security number or employer identification number. Complete the address section with the taxpayer's current address. In the upper right corner, indicate the type of access being granted, such as for specific tax years or information. Designate the type of tax information the appointee will have access to, like income, penalties, or any other specific details. Provide the name and address of the person or organization you wish to authorize to receive the information. Include their telephone number for any necessary follow-ups. If applicable, you can also add a fax number or email address for faster communication. Next, proceed to sign the form. The taxpayer must sign and date the form to validate it. If the taxpayer is not the individual completing the form, include your title and relationship to the taxpayer. Check the form for accuracy, ensuring all information is correct. Once completed, save a copy for your records. Now, send the form to the appropriate IRS office based on the instructions provided on the form. Keep an eye out for any confirmation from the IRS regarding the processing of the form. This form typically allows for 3 years of access, so be aware of that time frame. Once authorized, the appointed person can request the taxpayer's information from the IRS as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.